Hello and welcome to a video from filmsbychris.com. That's Chris the K. And today we're playing around with Android. So I am connected through USB to my phone. I can do ADB shell, and you can see I get a shell. And you can see just from the prompt that I'm running Lineage OS, specifically a GSI ARM64 version of that. That's a generic system image, meaning it is not specifically for this phone. It's for pretty much any phone that's ARM64. So we have that, but I want to know what version of Android I'm running. So the command I ran was this. So again, I'm running it from my desktop using ADB. I'm saying shell, and then running the get prop command. So if you're already at the ADB shell, you just have to write get prop. And then you can tell it, I want to know the value of this key. When we do that, you can see I get 13 as the result, meaning I'm running Android 13 on this device. But if we were just to run the get prop command, so in this case again, ADB shell get prop, it's going to give me a list of all the keys and their values, and you can go through these and you can see that you have your key here and then whatever it's set to over here. So pretty simple and straightforward. So I can do something like this. I can say ADB shell get prop, and I can do RO build product, and it's going to tell me again that I'm running Lineage OS, GSI, ARM, but there are a few different versions of that, so flavors if you will. I could run this ADB shell, and then I can do ro.build.flavor, and when I do that, it tells me specifically that I'm running VN user debug. So this is saying basically does it have root built in, does it into the image itself, or does it have Google Play Store, that sort of thing. So again, there's a long list of things in get props, a lot of values there. If you have FZF installed, you could always pipe the output into FZF and then search for what you're looking for. So I can type in something like alarm, and it tells me right here that my alarm is set to oxygen.og files. So that's the sound for my alarm. So you can go through here and just start searching for different things and find maybe what you're looking for. It might be a good thing just to look through this and see some of the values. Like if I was to type in lineage, and I typed it wrong, but again, FZF does help me with that. But I can see some of the values here, and maybe I can learn more about what version of Lineage I'm running. So check it out. GetProp is a great little application to get more information on your Android device.